So step number 1 would simply be to identify the swing low and swing high. To do this, you simply find the lowest point price travel to, as highlighted on the chart, and then you simply find the highest point price travel to, like so. The next thing you simply want to do is select the fib retracement tool and draw it from your swing low to the swing high. As you can see on the chart, all we done was drag the fib retracement from the swing low to our swing high. And now we have both our swing low and swing high and all of our fib levels highlighted on the right hand side. Okay, so step number 2 will be to add our support and resistance lines in. As we know, support and resistance are very important for showing our reversal points. So once we add them onto our chart, we will be able to see which fib retracement levels are good reversal points alongside the support and resistance zones. Once you have done this, your chart should look something like this. Okay, so for step number 3, we want to identify the key retracement levels. So the first one is 38.2, the second one will be 50, and the third and final key retracement level will be 61.8. These 3 are the key levels that you want to be looking out for when looking for retracements in price. So looking at this example, we can see that out of the 3 levels, the 50% level will be the best level for a price retracement. As we can see, we have a support and then we have the fib retracement level. So once we've identified the key retracement level, we simply wait for price to head to that retracement level and head back up or down. Here are some more examples of how you'd use this strategy on your charts.